Top 5 ways to earn money with ChatGPT. Have you ever considered turning your talkative personality into a money-making venture? Here's how you can use ChatGPT to your advantage. First, launch a blog. Generate unique content, articles, even entire novels using ChatGPT's power. Second, set up a virtual assistant. ChatGPT is capable of answering scheduling appointments and more. Third, put together a language learning app. ChatGPT's multilingual capabilities make it an ideal tool aid in learning a new language. Fourth, take on freelance writing jobs. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, write initial drafts, or fine-tune content. Lastly, make a game. ChatGPT can craft compelling narratives and dialogues for your characters. So here are the top 5 ingenious methods to utilize ChatGPT for profit. Always remember, your creativity is the only boundary.
Subscribe now. Subscribe now.